Line voltage versus control voltage determines how a blower fan receives power and how it is commanded to run. Line voltage is the actual mains power that feeds the motor and provides the energy to spin the fan, while control voltage is a low power signal that tells a relay or control module when and how fast to run. Most single-speed and multi-speed blowers receive line voltage directly through switch terminals on the fan motor, and variable speed or X13 motors always have line voltage present to the motor but rely on a separate low voltage control signal for activation and speed modulation. When testing, first verify that the correct line voltage is present at the motor housing with the power on and the system calling for blower operation. Then isolate and measure the control voltage at the control board or motor control connector to confirm the signal is being sent. Use a true root mean square meter for accurate alternating current readings on variable frequency drives and electronic motors. For X13 or variable speed motors, the control voltage is often a direct current or pulse width modulated signal provided by the furnace or air handler control board, and it can be mistaken for a fault if measured incorrectly, so consult the motor or board documentation for expected voltage ranges and wiring colors. When you need to test without powering the full system, remove the motor connector and use a known good control signal or a compatible bench supply to command the motor while observing current draw and rotation to rule out control board faults. Always deenergize circuits and lock out and tag power sources before making wiring changes. And after any repair, restore all safety connections and confirm proper operation through at least one full heating or cooling cycle. If uncertain, photograph wiring and terminal labels before disconnecting so you can restore original connections exactly. A common mistake is testing only the control voltage and assuming the motor is powered when line voltage is absent. So always check line power first and restore blown fuses or tripped breakers. Another is misinterpreting control signals on variable speed motors as failures when those signals are outside simple alternating current ranges. So use the motor manufacturer specification and the correct meter mode. Finally, technicians sometimes swap wires or connectors between similar terminals, which can damage control electronics. So double-check terminal labels and use photos to keep wiring correct. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources on electrical operation concepts relevant to blower fans. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions, share tips, and find leads for work.